Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that every car buyer should be aware of. The top 6 most unreliable cars on the market. Buying a car is a big decision, and the last thing you want is to be stuck with a lemon. That's why it's crucial to do your research and steer clear of vehicles known for their dependability issues. We're going to take a closer look at 6 cars that have consistently ranked poorly in reliability surveys and have earned a reputation for leaving their owners stranded. From quirky compacts to luxury SUVs, we'll explore the common problems these vehicles face, from electrical gremlins to major mechanical failures. Buckle up because this is going to be a bumpy ride. First up on our list of unreliable suspects is the Fiat 500. This Italian city car might be cute and stylish, but don't let its charming looks fool you. Beneath its appealing exterior lies a host of issues that can turn your driving experience into a nightmare. The Fiat 500 has been plagued with electrical issues, earning it a notorious reputation for unreliability. These problems aren't just minor annoyances, they can be serious enough to leave you stranded. Owners have reported everything from faulty wiring harnesses to malfunctioning sensors, leading to all sorts of frustrating electrical gremlins. These issues can be difficult and expensive to diagnose and repair. Imagine your dashboard lighting up like a Christmas tree while you're driving down the road, not exactly a recipe for peace of mind. These warning lights can indicate a range of problems, from minor glitches to major system failures. And it's not just the electrics that are a cause for concern. The engine and transmission have also been known to suffer from various issues, adding to the car's overall unreliability. The 500's overall build quality has also been called into question, with reports of flimsy interior materials and premature wear and tear. This can make the car feel older and more worn out than it actually is. To top it all off, the Fiat 500 hasn't exactly shown in reliability surveys, consistently ranking below average in terms of dependability. This poor performance in surveys reflects the real-world experiences of many owners. So while it might be tempting to be charmed by its retro styling, it's best to approach the Fiat 500 with caution. Its looks can be deceiving, and you might end up with more headaches than you bargained for. Next up we have the Jeep Renegade, a compact SUV that promises off-road capability and ruggedness. However, the Renegade has been haunted by transmission problems that have left many owners feeling frustrated and stranded. Specifically, the Renegade's 9-speed automatic transmission has been a major source of complaints. Owners have reported rough shifting, hesitation, and even complete transmission failure, often requiring costly repairs. Adding to the Renegade's woes are reported engine issues, particularly with the 1.4-liter turbocharged engine. From premature spark plug failures to turbocharger problems, this engine has had its fair share of issues. While the Renegade might boast Jeep's iconic 7-slot grille, its reliability record suggests that it might not be as ready for adventure as its bigger, more robust siblings. Moving on to the luxury segment, we encounter the Land Rover Discovery Sport. This stylish SUV might turn heads on the road, but its reliability record is anything but luxurious. One of the biggest drawbacks of the Discovery Sport is its high maintenance costs. As a luxury vehicle, parts and labor come at a premium, and owners have reported frequent visits to the repair shop for a variety of issues. From suspension problems to electrical gremlins, the Discovery Sport seems to have its fair share of potential problems. And while Land Rover has made efforts to improve the reliability of its vehicles in recent years, the Discovery Sport still lags behind its competitors in terms of dependability. Next up is the Tesla Model X, a technological marvel that has revolutionized the electric car market. However, even with its impressive performance and futuristic features, the Model X hasn't been immune to reliability concerns. One of the most talked about issues with the Model X is its falcon wing doors. While undeniably cool, these doors have been known to malfunction, sometimes refusing to open or close properly. Imagine being trapped inside your car because the doors won't open, not exactly the futuristic experience Tesla owners signed up for. In addition to the falcon wing door drama, the Model X has also been plagued by software glitches. From touchscreen freezes to autopilot malfunctions, these software issues can be frustrating and even potentially dangerous. Known for its seductive styling and exhilarating performance, the Alfa Romeo Giulia is a car that appeals to the heart. Its sleek lines and aggressive stance make it a head-turner on any road, capturing the essence of Italian automotive design. However, when it comes to reliability, the Giulia has a reputation for being a bit of a gamble. Despite its allure, the car has faced criticism for not living up to the dependability standards expected by many drivers. Owners have reported a range of issues from minor electrical gremlins to more serious engine and transmission problems. These issues can be both frustrating and costly, often requiring frequent trips to the service center. The Giulia's engine, while powerful, has been known to experience problems with its high-pressure fuel pump and turbocharger. These components are crucial for the car's performance, and their failure can lead to significant downtime and repair costs. Furthermore, the Giulia's electronics have also been a source of frustration for some owners, with reports of infotainment system glitches and sensor malfunctions. These electronic issues can detract from the overall driving experience, making it less enjoyable. While the Giulia might be a blast to drive, its reliability record suggests that it might be best suited as a second car or weekend toy rather than a daily driver. For those who can overlook its flaws, the Giulia offers a unique and thrilling driving experience that is hard to match. Rounding out our list is the Chevrolet Colorado, a mid-size pickup truck that aims to offer a balance of capability and affordability. It's designed to handle a variety of tasks, from daily commuting to weekend adventures. However, the Colorado has been plagued by transmission and engine issues that have left many owners questioning its reliability. These problems have been persistent and widespread, affecting a significant number of vehicles. The Colorado's 8-speed automatic transmission, in particular, has been a source of complaints. Drivers have experienced a range of issues, from minor annoyances to major malfunctions. Owners have reported rough shifting, slipping, and even complete transmission failure, often requiring expensive repairs. These transmission problems can be both frustrating and costly, leading to extended downtime for the vehicle. In addition to transmission woes, the Colorado has also had its fair share of engine problems. These issues have further tarnished the truck's reputation for reliability, particularly with the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. This engine has been known to suffer from a variety of issues that can impact performance and longevity. From excessive oil consumption to timing chain issues, this engine has had its share of reported problems. These engine troubles can lead to significant repair costs and inconvenience for owners. While the Colorado might be a capable truck on paper, its real-world performance has been marred by these reliability concerns. Its reliability record suggests that it might not be the most dependable choice in its segment. Potential buyers should carefully consider these issues before making a purchase decision. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews and tips. Comment below if you have any experiences with these cars, or if there's another car you think should be on this list. Remember, buying a car is a big investment, and reliability should be a top priority. While the cars on this list might have their appealing qualities, their track records for dependability should give potential buyers pause. Before you sign on the dotted line, do your research, read reviews, and consider long-term ownership costs. A little bit of due diligence can save you a lot of headaches and money down the road.